These are my Chapter 9 exercises. Exercise 1 starts off by asking us to write a select statement that returns these columns from the products tables. They ask for a list price column, a discount column, discount percent column, and then it asks for a column named discount amount that uses the previous two columns to calculate the discount amount and uses the round function to round the result so it has two decimal digits. I went ahead and used the figure 5 on page 251 that talks about round. I took the list price, multiplied that by the discount percent times 0.01, and moved it to only 2 decimal points and named that discount amount. And as you can see, if we run it, we have our list price, discount percent, and then the discount amount. We can go ahead and compare that to the other results and see that they match. Exercise 2 asks to write a select statement that returns the order date column from the orders table. So we have order date here, and then the rest of them ask for date formats. The second one asks for 4-digit year that's stored in the order date column. And as you can see, we did the order date, the capital Y, as order year. And I got these from figure 10 on page 261. So they're all basically the order date column, and we went through and added these different meanings as order year, order date formatted, order time, and order date time. Go ahead and run that, and you can see our results here and compare them to the ones that you provided. You can see our order date matches, order year 2015, order date formatted March 28, 2015, order time, and then order date time matches as well. Exercise 3 asks to write a select statement from the orders table that has the card number, length of the card number, last 4 digits of the card number, and a column that displays the last 4 digits of the column in the format with X's before that. I used figure 2 on page 245 to pull the length function and the card number, which counts the amount in that card number. And then I used a write function, card number, and the write pretty much uses the last 4 digits in that column. And then I used a concat to add the X's and then a substring to get the last 4 digits on the card number and name that formatted number. As you can see our results here, we have the card number length, which is 15, the last 4 digits, which is the right 4, and then a formatted number, which is the concat X's, and the substring last 4. And we can pull the examples and see that they match. And we have the card number length, last 4 digits, and the formatted number. Now for exercise 4, asks us to write a select statement from the orders table, and it asks for the order ID, order date, column with approximate ship date, the ship date column, and a column named days to ship. I went ahead and used figure 11 on page 263 to pull the date add from the order date and the intervals 2 day, which added 2 days, which is the approximate ship date. Then we've got the ship date column, date diff, which takes the ship date and the order date and figures the difference between them. And we got all this from the orders table. And I'm going to go ahead and just run this first part of it so you can see what it looks like. And then it says when we have all this working, add a where clause that retrieves just the orders from April of 2014. So I went ahead and added where the year order date equals 2015 and the month order date equals 4. So we go ahead and run that whole thing, and you can see the order IDs 7, 8, and 9. Order dates, approximate ship date, and then the ship date column, and the days to ship. So if we pull the examples, we can see that they match.